Time now for some Southeast Asia headlines. First one, let's go to Cambodia as it's taken from the Khmer Times. Another 2 COVID-19 victims were successfully treated and discharged from hospital yesterday. The total number of infected patients who have been successfully treated and discharged stands at 298, leaving 9 active cases still receiving treatment. The latest recoveries consisted of a Cambodian male who arrived on October 26th after traveling from Japan via South Korea, and a 69-year-old American male who had arrived in Cambodia from the United States after traveling via Taipei on November 13th. Both have now been released and advised to take extreme precautions, and Cambodia has also registered a recovery rate of slightly more than 97% with 0 deaths since the pandemic first broke out late January.
And next, taken from therealready.com, we are going to Myanmar. Among 17 Asia-Pacific countries, the Anti-Corruption Commission of Myanmar has gained the highest trust of its citizens, a report by Transparency International had stated. The report also said despite concerns about a lack of oversight of Myanmar's military, the commission has demonstrated a strong will to curb corruption by investigating cases involving high-level figures. However, the body, which was formed in February 2014, has no mandate to tackle military corruption, as the military drafted 2008 constitution gives the armed forces immunity from external prosecution.
And now we're going to Singapore. Taken from the Straits Times, we are going to Singapore. The Ministry of Health will be conducting COVID-19 testing near Little India MRT for stall holders in and around Tekka Center. The ministry said testing operation, which will take place on Thursday, are part of the progressive rollout of community surveillance testing. Meanwhile, authorities announced 7 new coronavirus cases on Wednesday, all imported. They were placed on stay-home notices on arrival in Singapore. There were no new community cases and none from workers' dormitories for the 5th day in a row.